Apologies. But yeah, let's go. Let's see what's gonna happen with gold today. How is everyone? Who's here? Who's here for the London session? Let me know who's here for the London session anyway. But yeah, this is my chart for now. I am looking for longs in some liquidity above. But yeah, let's see who's here, guys. How many have we got? Delete that. Right, yeah, sound, right. I just uploaded that too. Yo, Chris, how's it going? Morning. Yeah, good morning, Chris, mate. Real Bono, 2661 to 2663, first zone, maybe. For me, I'll be looking to target. Yeah, like I say, for me, I'm not really looking too much for a pullback to continue higher. For me, if I get any sort of price action that I like around here, some bullish price action here, I'll just look to long into these highs. So that's the plan for me. Yo, how's it going, Saf? Yeah, so the plan for me, guys, it's quite simple. One sec, let me just send the link to the Discord. Yo, Wes, how's it going, G? Welcome. Community, guys, welcome. I'm just going to put it in the community really quickly so anybody who hasn't seen it can see it. Right, there we go. Yeah, let's see what we can do for gold today. But yeah, I'm going to be really just sticking on the 15 and the 30. I'm not really going to look too much on the 5 just because we've been... Look at this. We've been tracking absolutely... We've been doing nothing. Since the pre-London push, late Asia push here, we've just tracked sideways. So if I'm going to be long in gold today, it will be after some price action on the 15/30. So let's see how the next 15 closes in 6 minutes. It doesn't really matter if we do pull back deeper. If we pull back deeper, it doesn't make a difference at all. If we pull back deeper, we just buy here. Okay, but if we start getting back below these levels, then I won't be looking to buy gold because this would just be a fake out. Okay. Yes, guys, smashing the lights for the London. Morning, Wes. Yeah, morning, everybody. Like I say, if you've just joined, if you've got any questions, let me know. Put it in the chat. Let's see who's here. We've got 13. Nice. 13 so far. I've only been on a couple of minutes. I've got some 5-litre bottle of water. Have you seen anything like it? Look at that. But yeah, another thing I'm looking at, 4 hours closing bullish as well. We could see a little pullback before the continuation higher. You know, gold it did give a little entry here too. You could have entered here, a valid entry, but I personally didn't. I wasn't at the charts. But like I say, if you did enter on that flip there, you've got like 26 ticks there, but I'm not too bothered about that. I'm just going to focus on trying to catch the position into these highs, 60 ticks. 60 ticks is decent into them highs. I'm happy with that. So yeah, let me just... Like I say, the reason I'm on for London session is because there's no US session trading today. There's no... The US market for futures, for the prop firms that I use, is closed, so the volume's not going to be as much as high. So yeah, I'm just going to sit it out. So we'll trade up till about 1 PM UK time, and then that'll be me done until tomorrow London. I'll be back depending on the news as well. Let's have a look at the news. Let's have a look at the news for tomorrow. Fundamentals really quickly. I have it in the Discord. So for tomorrow we've got, yeah, I'll be live for London tomorrow again, guys, because we've got a lot of high impact news. What I'm going to do now, the processes for the live, or the schedule for the live, if we've got 2 or more USD red news at the time I'm going to be live, I'll just do London. But if we haven't, then I'll do the US session. So it will be like 3 sessions for the US and 2 for London each week, but I'll make a schedule and I'll post it in the free Telegram and the Discord so everybody will know when I go live. But like I say, like this week I'd have done 3 sessions on US anyway and 2 on London. So tomorrow I'll be doing the London session again. So we'll go from there, okay? Something I am interested in on gold too is we have all these laws here. You know, you've got a big collection of laws that I am interested in trying to take on gold for shorts. The only way I would at any point look for shorts is if we started closing back below, say, here, 26.60. If we somehow get back below there, I'll then start looking for them shorts down. Okay? Back below here, 26.60, I'll start looking for shorts. Until then, I'm going to look for confirmation longs. Yeah, I'm going to look for them confirmation longs, okay? Look at that. Beautiful gold. Liquidity taken. Closed above. Look at that. Bang. Even if you just, like, and this is what I mean, you don't have to stare at the charts too much. Like, if you work a job, if you understand the concepts that I teach, you could notice, look, you notice that you've got a liquidity grab here, you've now got your closure here. Look, you can just enter and leave it. You know, you've got like 60 ticks there in 30 minutes. You don't need, and like I say, you don't need these super tight stop losses. I use tight stop losses because I can manage a tight stop loss. But really, if you entered on the break of this level, stops below, like I say, look at that. You've got a decent, obviously you wouldn't be using the same risk because it's a bigger stop loss. But you've got like 50 ticks stop loss there and you can run it up into them highs. It's still like a 2-to-1. And you'd have definitely have taken partials up here. Look at that. You've got like 58 ticks there. And like, go break even, leave that runner running. And it's the same concepts. You know, you've seen the liquidity, you've got your closure there, bang, push higher. But guys, you're not gonna believe the reason why my streams were lagging as well. It's because my VPN. I needed to upgrade my VPN. So yeah, I'll have to upgrade that again. Is it London session on my thing? Yeah, nice. But yeah. Real Bono, here already 4 p.m. Real, where are you from, Bono? Are you, where's 4 p.m.? Let me guess. 4 p.m., 1 hour, 2 hours. Is it Australia? I don't know. Is it Australia, Bono? Yeah, but look at gold instantly pushing back. Look at the hourly. It literally no top wick, instantly down. I'm interested to see how this next 15 opens. If this next 15, like I say, if this next 15 can, you know, take this low, close bullish, realistically, you'd want to get back above here. But we'll see. You could see some half risk entries here, but like I say, that pullback there from gold from this level, I am very interested to try and take longs into these highs today in this session though, for sure. But yeah, for me, sells would be probably back below 2660 here. Anything back below 2660, then I will start looking for them sells. Until we get below there, there's nothing. Because look what we've got here too. You've got some trend line coming in here. So if we do start getting back below 2660, then you're probably going to fill this trend line in and that trend line liquidity. So you've got like 60 ticks there into these lows or into this trend line liquidity. So we've got direction at both sides here too. Which is good. It's good. Like I say, if anyone's got any questions, feel free to drop a comment in. Let's see who's here too. We've got 20. Nice. We've got 20 in the live. Good to see, guys. Let's see who's here. Martin, Bono, Chris, Saf, Wes. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, I am gonna try and catch longs, guys. I am trying to catch longs. Like I say, longs into these highs, but if we close back below here, I'm going to look to short into these lows here, okay? That's the plan. Okay. For now, we're just waiting on this at least 5 minutes, 3 minutes till we close. And if anyone's got any questions while we're waiting for this to set up, just drop it in. Drop it in. It's good to jump on for a London session though. We sometimes catch some decent moves in London. Hey, Duncan, how's it going, mate? Cheers for likes, guys. Smashing it. Nice one. Very, very nice day today. Very nice day here in Vietnam. Beautiful. I think like 29 degrees, but it's not humid at all. Like you can go outside and walk and not get absolutely sweaty like you do in most Asian countries. Like Thailand is a different level of humidity compared to Vietnam. Vietnam's just nice. Yeah, like even England, when England in summer is sometimes just unbearable. And it's crazy to think like, yeah, it's like hotter here, but it's very bearable, and it's just because the humidity is just not as bad. Either that or I've got used to hot weather now. Yeah, Duncan, I'm good, thanks, mate. Are you still in Philippines? Are you still in Philippines now, mate? Oh, look at gold. Yeah, I tell you what, I'm still open to this. Sit tight, guys. If we get back below 2660, I'm selling gold. Okay? So just hang in there. Hang in there. Hang in tight and we'll catch it. And if you're not already, subscribe. Drop a subscribe. Like I say, I go live at least once per day, whether it's London or US. Drop a subscribe and you'll be notified when I go live, guys. Seriously. 1.5 hours per day, free value. Tune in, ask some questions, watch me take some positions, watch me analyze, talk about whatever you want to. It doesn't have to be trading related. But we're almost at 500 subs now. Big milestone. Like, you get to 100, it takes ages and then creeps up slowly. Yeah, sound. Nice one for lights, guys. 11, smashing it. Sound. Raining in Baguio, Philippines. Pretty cool to like a summer night in. Yeah, nice. Nice, Duncan. That's good. Good stuff, mate. What I would look for now on gold is if we can close bullish, could probably see some half risk longs. But like I say, we have pulled back quite aggressively. Look, we pushed up above this level, 70 ticks, and it's instantly pushed straight down. That is telling me something on gold. You know, that is telling me that gold is ready to, you know, maybe push down a little bit more. So I need to plug this in. One sec, guys. I just need to plug this in. I need to plug charger in for my phone. Oh, good. Nice. But yeah, like I said, we'll see how this 15 closes. 6 minutes. And if anybody's got any analysis they want me to look at, any charts, etc., just let me know. Put it in. Put it in the comments. Yeah, so if I am going to long gold, I'd like it to close maybe back above 26.63. You know, get back above there quite strong. You're probably going to see that push higher, even though you have rejected 26.66. But back above there is decent little range. You can see resistance. Back above that resistance closure, push higher. My MT5 gold already touched 26.59. A bit difference from your chart. 26.59. Yeah, this is a wonder, mate. You're gonna have a little bit different. Like, what is it? It's like 6 ticks. It's not too much. You're gonna have different prices with different charts. But what's your broker, mate? Who's your broker? Let me know. I'm in buys now. What you thinking? Buys now? It's a little bit early for me personally, mate, but it depends what your strategy is. Something that you need to look at right now on gold is it broke above this range here that we've rejected massively. 2664, 3 times, look, resistance. What we've just seen on gold now is that we've faked out of this level. We've pushed above with a lot of momentum and volume, and it's instantly just pushed down. All the work of the buyers to push it up and break above has literally has come to nothing right now. You know, that pre-London push. But saying that, I'm still not shut out from buys. Like, I'll still look for them buys, but for me, I'd have to get back above this level, because look what happened before. Resistance. We could come back up into here and reverse down. So it is a bit early. I'd personally like closes above here for sells, and then if we get back above here, I'll just take the buys above here for like 60 ticks. You know, you've got 60 ticks there for buys. Below, into them lows, you've got 40 ticks. That's absolutely fine for me. You know, if I can get 40 to 60 ticks on my wins, perfect. Where did you enter from, Alex? Alex, where was your entry, mate? This range is quite clean, to be fair. I do like this range. 2660, 2664. Buys back above there. It's clean. Let me just check the community really quickly. I'm just going to upload this really quickly to the community. For the guys not in the YouTube or on the live, I just want to update them on this. Nice. But yeah, back above there, that's probably the best place. Back above this sort of level here, then even if it pushes to say here, I've got 37 ticks there. Nice one for lights, guys. Seriously, if you're new here too, like I say, I don't do London session. I am gonna start doing London session maybe 1 to 2 times per week. So if you are new here, drop a subscribe so you know when I go live. Okay. And let's see what gold wants to give us. Like I said, I don't want to sit in choppy price action too much, but we'll stay on for a while, see what happens. Like I said, there's no trading later for me. If you've got any questions, let me know too. Drop a question, drop a subscribe, drop a like. Appreciate everything. Has anyone taken any trades today? Comment, has anyone taken any trades? I've not taken anything. I didn't even take this long push up because there was nothing that was showing. I wanted confirmation and there was just nothing. To be honest with you, after the closure, I thought we'd have a little pullback before pushing higher. But like I say, I don't really get too attached to what gold does. You know, if it pushes below and it continues to push down, well, I just simply sell down. But if we get a closure below here, then yeah, we're sweet for longs. Right. Yeah, like I say, if this hourly or if this 30-minute can get back above here, you know, if we get a strong closure like so, then I'll literally just take that next push 40 ticks, and that could definitely happen on gold. Look at the 4 hourly too. No bottom wick really. That could get created. So I'm open to both sides. Let's see where the momentum wants to go and the volume wants to go. Does it want to break back above and continue higher, or does it want to break and close below? So I'd say I'm playing within this range for now on gold. Okay. Looks a bit cleaner actually, that. Bit of shading on it. I know it's early for a lot of people, so I do appreciate everyone tuning in. If it's early for you, I appreciate turning up for the London session. But I do, like I say, I do want to do London session too, because sometimes we'll come on for a US session and we'll just sit there for 1 to 2 hours and no, we're not going to really take any positions because there's news. So I'd rather come on for London and potentially take some trades than come on for US every day. You know, it might only be 1 or 2, maybe even 1 London session per week when like there's NFP in the US. But if it means I do that, I'll just jump on for that session. It's absolutely fine. You know, US has been great. Don't get me wrong, US session's been great for the lives. But like I say, nothing changes for the London. Everything stays the same. One sec, guys. Let me just turn the air conditioning on. It's getting a little hot in here. Shut that too. Boiling. Interesting. What's the 15 doing? All right, yeah, let's see how this 15 closes anyway. We'll see how this 15 closes in 9 minutes, and we'll go from there. Hey, Dean, how's it going, bro? Welcome, mate, welcome. No, all good. Nothing much has happened. Like I say, London. I've jumped on for London because you know we've got US well, not holiday, but that day and morning, and the market's shut. So like I say, jumped on today for an hour or two, and then for the US session, community members, I'll be doing a members Zoom call. You know, like I said, there won't be any trading, but I'll do a members Zoom call so you can, you know, ask questions. We can go over strategy, anything that you're concerned about, let me know, and we can just cover it in that Zoom call. I think that's a good idea. Like I say, I won't be executing positions. Just today, use it as a day to, you know, learn, understand strategy, go over your journal. But of course, in the London session now, I will be looking for trades. I've just spotted that too. Look at that. We've got some trendline liquidity here and at both sides. So let's see where we break above or below. And like always, anybody got any questions, just feel free to drop a question in. It doesn't matter what it is, trading related, doesn't have to be trading related, just whatever, all good. Right, here we go. 30-minute looks like it's going to start closing above. I'm just going to delete that. I don't really do shaded lines or shaded boxes on my charts. But let's try and get this closure. Now, if this closes above here, I'll be looking to long gold. First targets will be the hourly high here. Because look what's happened. Taking the lows, we get back above this range, then bang, I'm going to be longing. You know, we've got like 50 ticks there, which is great. Okay. I'm just going to delete this and delete this too, because something I'm interested in is we've got this trend line coming in too, and I think we're going to smash this trend line if we can close bullish now. You know, look what price has done. It's closed above, pushed back below to take more stops. If we close strong above again, you know, even back above here, you should see that continuation play. Well, I think so anyway. But overall targets today will be these highs, which will also be the daily wick fill. So you've got daily wick fill there, and you've got H1 high targets, which is great. Just going to wait for this 30 to close in 5 minutes. My gold chart 2664. Yeah, same mate. Mine's 2664. I'm the future. What? What's that? 2664. Yeah, I'm on 2664 too. My chart. Gold touch 2660 and go up to 2664. Yeah, potentially. Like I said, gold had a big level here, but I don't just buy and sell at levels. Like, if you do that, it's very, very retail. Just use the levels to stop getting caught in the range. And that's why the range is there. Like, gold does react from levels very well. But if you start buying here, you know, stops below this level, a lot of the time gold can close below and then continue down. I'd rather buy the most high probability level, and that is back above. That's back above here. And yeah, you might catch, what, 30 ticks there before me, but buying at this level is a big retail trap half of the time, and I'd rather just, you know, catch my 30, 40 ticks, even 50 ticks, look into them highs here and get that higher probability entry. Is there down to 2660? We've already tagged 2660 here, mate. So if we close back above here, I'm going to long into these highs. I'm just waiting now. Waiting to see what gold wants to do. But yeah, we've tapped 2660. Like I mentioned, I was looking to sell below here. But because we've tagged it and rejected it, and now looking to close back above here, 2664, if we do get back above here on this 30, I'll just buy the next 30 candle. You know, you had a little 5-minute range too, look. You had a 5-minute range here, so yeah. If we actually close strong in the next 3 minutes, that would be much, much cleaner. Also, guys, if you're new here, join the free Telegram. I've just linked the free Telegram in the YouTube comments. If you're new and you've just joined the streams, all my streams, all my YouTube live links will go into the free Telegram. So if you want to be updated when I go live, join the free Telegram. Also, analysis goes in there, community updates, YouTube lives, you know. So if you just want a free Telegram, no sign up offers, no nothing, just join. Samir, I'm personally not yet. I won't tell you what to do, but I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm waiting for this 30 to close in 2 minutes. See how it closes. Right now, I won't be looking to long if it closes like this. I want it to close like where this high is. Because right now, this could just reject this level and continue down, like so. Like I say, gold loves levels. And yeah, you can buy from here and you can sell from here, but a lot of the times you just get rinsed. You will get rinsed a lot of the times if you just start buying and selling at different levels. Wait for your closes above and below. It's much more high probability and it's much more relaxed. You know, if you try just buying and selling at different levels, you're just gonna get shaken out in a range all the time. But yeah, if it closes like so in a minute, I won't be entering. I'll just enter the next 15 or the 30 close. But right now we're rejecting this level quite hard. 5-minute rejection as well. We'll see. 40 seconds. Yeah, 30 still within the range here. I'd want a stronger close back above 2664 here. It's right on the level. So what I'll wait for, if we close above, I'll just wait for some 5-minute. See what this does here. You probably are going to see a push higher into these highs. But you've still got a chance of rejection right now. If I was going to take longs, it would be a half risk long on the flip. I am open to half risk longs. If we do get that bottom wick, I'm just going to wait. I am open to half risk. I'm just going to see how far price wants to pull back. If we can get like a decent bottom wick to like here, I'll just buy the rebreak of the high into these highs. Because I do think gold's 30 is looking decent to go long. But I just can't enter just yet. I need this bottom wick to be created. You know, 6 to 7 ticks. We'll see. We'll see. Nothing. No need to rush anything yet. I'm waiting to see if this can push down a little bit more. Pull back and stay here. 7 ticks. I'll just buy the rebreak of the high. So I do think if we re-break this high, you're going to see gold come into this hourly 15 ticks there and then into here too. What would that stop be on the re-break of this high? I'm not in anything yet. It's only 6 ticks. Nah, I'm not entering that. Even though it has got a chance. If it does end up pushing, I'll just enter the next 30. It doesn't bother me. I'm patient like that. Like, this would only be a half risk position anyway. If it did flip these highs. You know, it's only a 6 tick stop loss from where it was. I'd want at least like an 8 to 10. Just to give me some room. The next 30, if it closes bullish, would be definitely more confirmed anyway. Just waiting now. It doesn't bother me because, like, it shouldn't bother you missing a position just from one candle. Like, this 30 is looking strong, but if this 30 is strong, you know, the more confirmed entry is if you close like so. If this next 30-minute candle closes like this, then I'd just simply enter here instead of here. It doesn't bother me. I'm still going to catch my 30 ticks into them highs. It's just a more high probability entry. And if I did enter here now, I'd be taken into this position now. So I'd be in this position here with my stop below at half risk. But I'm just not entering because I haven't got a big enough stop loss. You know, what was it? It was like 6 tick stop loss. Joe, gold now 26.55. Hang on there, guys. So much lagging. Are you on the futures chart by any chance, Bono? I'm not sure. Wait, Bono, what broker are you using too, and where are you from, mate? What country what country are you from, and what broker are you using? Yeah, I'm not in this, guys. I was just marking up a half risk entry. I'm not taking this position. There's no valid stop just yet. I'd want a bigger stop loss. Where the entry was here into these highs, it was like a 7 tick stop loss. But if this next 30 or 15 closes bullish, then yeah, sound. I'll just take that. Did anybody take these longs? By any chance? Did anyone take these longs? Like, it was an 8 tick stop. I'm not taking it. I'm just going to wait for the more confirmed entry. Especially with how gold's just pushed straight down and passed straight back up. Nice work, mate. Who's taken that? Harminder? Nice. Nice work, bro. Yeah, you'd be in a decent little profit. I'd probably go break even at these highs if I entered. The entry for me was actually a 6 tick stop if I was going to enter, but I didn't enter it just because I wanted a little bit bigger of a stop, like 8 to 10 ticks. You know, six ticks is not super. Yeah, I'd be break even now anyway. What's that? 13 ticks. Nice. But I think it's on its way up. I do need to join your paid group. Oh, how nice. Yeah, get yourself in. Guys, if anybody wants to join the community, feel free to sign up. I'll put the link in, so it'll take you straight to my website. It'll take you straight to my website through this link. So if you do want to join, anybody wants to join, that is, I've put the link in the YouTube comments. Click that and it'll take you straight up where you can get access. But yeah, that was actually a clean long. I'm just going to enter the next 30. I'm going to wait for this 10 minutes to close, and then I'll just enter the next candle into this liquidity above. But I think it's on its way up. I do need to join you. But yeah, I think so too, Haminda. You've got the liquidity, right? The liquidity target's here. I'd definitely be taking partials up here too. At like, what's that? 20 ticks. Partials, let the rest go break even. But yeah, you'd definitely be... That'd be a management point anyway. But I'd be up into these highs now. And you'd be break even almost, probably. But the overall direction was right into these highs. You know, you got 20 ticks there. Yeah, you'd still on just be in this. It probably will take you break even there. Is what it is. You'd have taken partials, so you'd have had a decent 20 ticks partials there. Just wait for this 30 to close now. Let's see how this 30 closes. If we close back bullish, then beautiful. We can take them longs. If we do close back bullish now, it is very, very confirmed for it to continue higher. Back within the range, then we're waiting again. I can't hear your voice. Really? Let me just check on... Let me just check on my phone really quickly, the live. Hang on. Yeah, the voice is fine, Real Bono. Guys, is my voice alright? On my phone, it's good. If you can't, just let me know. On my phone, it seems decent, though. Yeah, but decent entries there. Nice, Haminda. Decent little push there. Understanding where that liquidity is as well. Martin, it's fine. I can hear you. All good, mate. Yeah, sound. Good stuff. Nice one. Yeah, I checked on my phone too. The connection's really good here. Seriously, I was so confused. Like, the upload and download speed of my Wi-Fi was perfect, super high, and I was so confused to why some of the streams were lagging, and it was because I had a VPN on. And like I say, I've taken the VPN off now, and it's perfect, which is good. Yesterday, it did maybe like lag once, but I had the VPN on still. But now I've taken that VPN off. It's kind of perfect. And look at that. Any retail, guys, any retail seeing this green candle, not waiting for the closure, just banging longs in below the level that have been stopped out. Because what retail do, they see a green candle without waiting for the closure. They start entering and loading up longs. It takes the liquidity and reverses on them. Because they don't understand liquidity and how liquidity concepts work. We understand that we need to wait for this to close. Once we've understood that this needs to close in order for it to continue higher, then the real move will happen. They're all getting wiped out now. I always have to max my phone volume to hear you, but I can hear you fine. Yeah, nice. Like I say, I've got the actual aux on full. And the mic on full. I can put it up a little bit more for you there if you want I put it on the max for my voice. Has anybody taken any positions today? Let me know. Has anyone taken any positions? There's some festival or something going on today. There's some festival going on outside my apartment. And I can hear it. I don't think you can, but I can hear it. This is very clean now for me. This range. This is perfect. Buys back above 26.65, sells below 26.60. That is like, this is very clean, which is good. Oh, 1 second, guys. Someone at my door. I'm back. How's it going? Sorry about that. Sorry. Thank you. If I see anything, I'll let you know. Okay. If I see you, I will give. Okay. Bye bye. Sorry about that, guys. The cleaner came. No. Guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. The cleaner came. She cleaned my room before I came on to London session. Yeah, my cleaner came to. Well, my cleaner cleaned my apartment just before London session, and she's lost her keys, so she came to look for them just now. So I said if I find them, I'll give them back. But yeah, that's what went on there. Dancing at Norway, mate. I've got a girlfriend. I'm married almost. 3 positions. I always have myself. No, times 2. Yeah, good stuff, guys. If you've not taken positions today, don't be too concerned. Like, I haven't taken positions too. This push to the upside was clean, but there was just no entry, and it is what it is. There's going to be more entries. Just wait for this range to close now, okay? Let me have a look at these comments. Dean, nice work. 3 wins. That's what we do, bro. Good stuff, man. That's it. Okay, maybe my connection here, sorry. Real Bono, where you from, mate? You can unmute as well. There's a setting, just press unmute if you want to play. There's like a little volume button, just press the volume button, you should be able to hear. Yeah, good work, Dean. 3 positions, 3 Ws, good. I didn't trade Asia, it was super choppy for me. Like, the price action that I look for, you know, look at Asia, guys. For me, that's just chop. Like I say, I don't know what everyone's strategy is. If you can find direction and find little scalps within this, good stuff. But to me, this is just no clear direction. There's nothing happening here for me. I don't like these ranges. I trade these moves here. I trade these moves here. Like yesterday, what did we do? We traded this move and caught a beautiful 55 ticks. You know, I called out a long here, but it hit me at break even. But look, even so, you know, that's 120 ticks. That's 120 ticks there. Within here, you're taking break evens, losses. Well, Dean took 3. Dean took 3 wins. But like I said, Dean's strategy might be might be better in little tight ranges, you know, catching 10 5-tick moves. But for me, there's nothing too substantial, no substantial moves here or anything significant. Hey dude, London, yes. Messer, London session today. There's no US trading today. So, like I say, it's closed. On my prop firms it is anyway, so I won't be executing, so I'm not going to be on live if I'm not executing. I have a buy on NQ. Let's have a look at NQ. Oh, it'll be delayed. It will be delayed. I'll have a look at NAS. There you go. Where did you buy from, Saf, mate? On the 30? Oh, did you buy here? Oh, nice. Liquidity grab. Like I say, yeah, half risk is valid. I'd say, you know, you've got 27 ticks there. Half risk is valid. The more confirmed entry on Nasdaq will probably be back above 21.72 or US 100. Yeah, back above here would be a decent buy on gold. Gold US 100. I thought maybe you'd be getting a massage like Tate. Nah. I'm good. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for this 30 to close though. If this 30 can close bearish back below 26.60, I'll take that short down. Bang into them lows. You got like 40 ticks there. I might get a massage tonight actually, because we've got no US trading. I'm going to do members, community members who's here. Any community members that are here, I'll be doing a live Zoom. So we can like chill, ask questions, go through some analysis. Nothing too crazy, but just a chilled US session. Dean up $220. Nice work, mate. Legend. Yeah, this owl is looking good as well. We've got 12 minutes to wait anyway. Let's see. Ooh. 5 had a bit of volume in it, didn't it? Like I say, this is the range for me. Not much has changed for the full session. This is the range. Buys back above, sells back below. It's all really how we close on this hourly now will give me the direction. Okay, so we'll see how this hourly closes and that should give me the direction. I'm just going to update the Discord community really quickly. Yeah, this 15, if this 15 gets back above this level now, perfect. I'm definitely going long. And then even so, like I say, we didn't even miss this trade because it would have hit break even. But look at that, into there, you've still got 40 ticks, 40, 50 ticks, which is ideal. But yeah, sells back below 26.60. See how this 15 closes. We could be on for some nice longs here. Stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. Some festival going on in Vietnam. Don't know what it is today. Summer. Is it? I don't know what it is. Yeah, this is looking clean now. Let's see how this 15 closes and 30. You know, we've got 10 minutes to wait. But oh, look at that 5 too. There's a lot going on here. Just gonna wait for this closure. What other? Is there any other liquidity above to take? Like I say, you can run runners into some levels like 26.78. But I'll probably just be in and out, done for the day if we take these highs. In and out, 20, 30 ticks, done for the day. No need to worry about anything. Come back tomorrow when the market reopens. But I am interested to take longs in a minute, you know. 9 minutes, take them longs, done. Okay. Let's wait for that then. Let's wait for that, yeah? Guys, back in 30 seconds. Nip into the toilet. 30 seconds, I'll be back. Yo, we're back. But yeah, 8 minutes to wait here. Let's get that close and then that long. The more bullish it closes, the better. You know, even if it's back above 26.66, it's better. And it doesn't matter if it closes back above because all I want is that 20 ticks. And into them highs, we've got 27, 26. So really, it doesn't really matter. But the more bullish it closes, the better. Cheers for lights, guys. New subscribers too. Nice one. Guys, if you're new and you've just joined for the first time, drop a subscribe. Drop a comment. Let's see who's here. Road to 500 subs too. We're almost at 500 subscribers, which is great. And I appreciate everyone who subscribes, likes, comments. Nice one. Come on, let's get that strong 15 closure here. I don't want to be taking half risk entries within this. Five minutes to wait for this close, guys. Like I say, whilst we're waiting, if you've got any questions, just drop a question in. Five minutes to wait. That owl is looking decent too. Like I say, hourly will look decent at 32. If we close above, that is. If we close strong above, you've got 15.30 and hourly that's looking decent. So that's the plan for me. But yeah, let's see. We've got 3-4 minutes to wait here. I don't want to be looking to trade within this range. I'm not looking to trade within here. You know, it was the same with this range in Asia. Look at the Asia range. Super choppy, broke out, then the real move. Like, if you're somehow catching these ranges top and bottom, which is very retail, you know, you're only getting like 50 ticks there. You know, once you break above, you have the more confirmed 50 ticks, which is way better. And that's where you get the high probability entries. And that's when your strike rate and win rate starts increasing too. Like trying to trade this. Trying to trade this. Trying to trade what we are now, this last 15 minutes, is where you're going to get chopped up. I'm in long, mate. Mesa, nice. Where you in long from, bro? Did you take longs from this level? I'm personally just waiting for it to close. I look for high probability entries, you know. That's what we do. I personally do anyway. It's what I teach in the Discord too. Nice. Come on. Let's get back above. Chopping. Possibly a full day of chop. Now we can't actually execute positions. Watch the US session. Look at that, respecting that level again. And that's exactly the case now. Look, people buying have been stopped out. Anyone buying been stopped out of this market. Anyone buying too early anyway. Nice one, Mesa. Good stuff, man. If you entered long here. There was nothing to tell me that gold was going to continue higher other than this level. Let's have a look at the 4 hourly. 4 hourly is not showing out. I know Mesa trades the 8 hourly. Yeah, there's nothing there too. Yeah, gold's not super clean. What's the US 100 saying? Decent push there. Look at that push. Liquidity grab, 20-30 tick push. 27 ticks. What about silver? Ooh, yeah, that is clean. Left a double bottom. But yeah, you probably see some longs now on silver. Look at that, bang. What's gold if it claws like? Still not above I'd have to wait for this 15 to close above now. If this next 15 closes above, I'll just long the next 15. It doesn't bother me. With 2 previous bullish days, would it be safe to say we are daily bullish? If I'm looking at, like, I don't really have a daily bias as such. I use the day, because, guys, what you need to understand with on gold is that, yeah, you can start looking too much on the daily and start going, oh, we're bullish, I'm only looking for buys, I'm only looking for sells. But look at this day here. Look at what, yeah, you pushed up a little bit, but anybody who's only looking for buys on the next following day has just missed out on so much selling, like a full day of sells, like 370 ticks. So that's why I never have a full bias. Like I say, I've looked at today, I've looked at the daily now, and I'm saying if we can continue bullish, which we're looking bullish, I wouldn't, like I say, obviously gold is still bullish. Look at the daily. It's clear that gold is overall bullish. But in terms of daily and weekly analysis, I'm looking at where gold could go for the following day. And that is into this wick fill here, prior daily highs. So I don't take entries or I don't have a daily bias because I've looked at and analysed the daily like some people. No, I look at the daily, I find my levels, and I trade into liquidity. And I think that's the best thing. Try and be open as much as you can. Try and be open as much as you can. You know, the more you're open, like for me, gold looks bullish on the daily, but if we get back below this level, I'm selling. You know, if we close back above here, I'm buying. You know, I've got clear liquidity above and below. I'm buying and selling into these targets. But the only way I can enter long now is if we get a closure back above in this next 15-minute candle. That would probably be nice and clean. You know, you've even got a level here that you could try and get back above too. Bam, bam, bam. But the main area that I need to get back above is here, 2665, 2664 area. Yes, guys, anyone who's just joined the stream as well, who's new to the stream, drop a subscribe as well. If you're new, drop a subscribe and tune in to the daily live streams. I normally go live for about 1.5 hours to 2 hours on average as well, so per day. Like I say, the only time I won't go live is if I'm like hosting a member's Zoom call. You know, if I'm busy for the day, like, or busy for the full day, like I've got events on and stuff. But other than that, we're live every day. But this is a clean range on gold. It's still the same. Ron, you here? Sean, how's it going? Yes, guys, welcome. Like I say, let's hit 500 subs, guys, for the end of the month. What do I need? 34, 35 subs. I'm sure we can do it. Smashing it though, smashing it. It's good to see. Nice one, guys. Appreciate everyone who follows, subscribes, likes, comments. It's all good. Hey Sean, how's it going? Oh, do you know Ron? I'm guessing you know Ron. Yeah, welcome Ron, welcome Sean. How's it going? Welcome to the stream, guys. Welcome. How long have you been trading? Been trading long, Sean? Northern lad, yeah, I am. Well, I don't actually. I'm not in the UK at the moment, but I am from the north of England. Yeah, Blackburn, Burnley area. Where are you from? Guys, analysis is the same as the full session. For me, closes above here, buying. For sells, it'll be selling back below 26.60, okay? This range, for me, is my no trading range. I won't be looking to trade within here. So, no trade range for now. Back above buys, sells below. Simple as that. Yeah. Newcastle starter, yeah, sure, nice. Nice. Good stuff, mate. Welcome to the streams, and yeah, happy to have you here. Newcastle, I've been to Newcastle, it's great. I like Newcastle. But yeah, I'm not in England. I'm probably in England for like 4 or 5 months a year, and then the rest of my time I spend elsewhere. Like now I'm in Vietnam. As well as this, guys, if anyone's got any questions regarding travel trading, let me know. Stick it in the comments if anyone's interested in that. It's something that I've done for the last 2 or 3 years. And anybody who can, make a decent little income on trading, it doesn't even have to be much. And even if you're not making money on trading, like, at least do it. Save some money and do it, Being in like a different environment definitely does help, especially if you're trying to grind. Sean, I'm from Thailand. Nice, mate. What are you in Newcastle now, or are you in Thailand? Or you're living in Thailand now? Is that what you mean? Thailand's great. Yes, guys, anybody wondering, anybody wants to join the community, learn the full strategy, get inside the members chats, my personal contact, all the trade breakdowns, everything you need to learn the full strategy and get profitable. I've just put the link, click that link, and you can sign up for the community there, okay? So I've just put that link in the comments. If you want to join the community, sign up, learn the full strategy. Get involved, I've got about 35 other members in there, so it's very active, all on the same journey. You get the daily market update videos. You get 2 to 3 trade breakdowns per week. You get plenty to get profitable, especially the full trading course too. And the members chats. The members chats are great. Like, if you can get inside the members chats, you learn a lot per day in there too. And it's very, very active. Let's have a look. Now in Thailand. Nice. From Newcastle. Good stuff, Sean. How's Thailand? Are you in Phuket? Whereabouts in Thailand are you? Morning, Joe. Nice one doing a London session live. Nice one, Naz. Welcome to the London. I'm doing London because US session is going to be closed, and there's no execution for me. So if I'm not executing trades, I'm not going to be sitting here taking fake trades. I don't do fake. If I'm executing positions, I'll stay here and say I'm executing. I won't sit here and say I'm not executing. Say I'm executing or not, it's just not what I do. So yeah, there's no execution because the market will be closed for the US session, so. From what I gather from the email I got from my brokers and my prop firm, I think I've got it right. If not, then I look a bit silly. But it is what it is, whatever. I think it is closed, there's no execution. Memorial Day for the previous president who died in December. Yeah, I saw that too. Yeah, I saw that. Yeah, I thought so. No trading in the US at all. Yeah, previous president. Yeah, good stuff. Yeah, I got it right. How long am I in Vietnam for? I'm not sure. I like it here. Weather's great now. People are good. Food's good. I really don't know. I really don't know. I might come to Thailand maybe next month for a couple of weeks. Only for a couple of weeks. I don't really want to stay in Thailand too long. Thailand's great. Thailand is great, but I don't want to stay there too long. Not that I don't like it. I love Thailand. Thailand's one of my favourite countries, but, you know, I've got a lot of friends in Thailand. And if I go to Thailand for too long, you know, I want to stay on job. I want to stay on job. You know, if you go in if you want to go on holiday, like Thailand or Vietnam, I'd say Thailand. 100% Thailand. If you want to go on holiday for like 2 weeks, go out, enjoy yourself. Thailand's definitely the place. Get a villa or something. Get some insane villas for a couple, 2 or 3 weeks. But you can, like I say, Thailand's got two sides to it as well. It's absolutely beautiful and stunning, and you can see all these things. But at night, it turns into a different. It's a different country at night. It's like probably the best parties you'll have there, or going out nightlife in the world. Definitely one of the best nightlife places in the world. And when I first went to Thailand and I didn't have the community, I didn't do YouTubes, and I was just trading. Yeah, I went out and I enjoyed myself. You know, went out drinking because I didn't really have. You know, I traded for 2 or 3 hours, or maybe like 4 or 5 hours during the day, and then at night it was for me. But now I've got the community, I've got one-to-ones to do. There's different things to do. You know, I have to go live on YouTube. And to be honest with you, I'm past it all as well. I'm Phuket with Big Ron. Come have beer. Nice. When I'm there, maybe I'll have a couple. Yeah, I'll have a night out and that for sure. I'll have a night out. But Monday to Friday, we're on it. Monday to Friday, we're on it. Lost in the sauce. Not anymore. Seriously, if I went to Thailand now, Monday to Friday would be. Like I say, I don't want to stay there too long. But Monday to Friday would be normal. Nah, I don't really. To be honest, I'm very good at controlling myself too. If I don't want to go out, I won't go out. I don't go out often at all. I don't drink often. You can't do it when you need to concentrate. Seriously, if you're going out, even like Friday or Saturday, you know, there's stuff that you need to do. If you really want to be a trader and you want to be dedicated, you can't be doing that. And UK is terrible here. Yeah, and lost in the sauce. Like I say, I'm very good at controlling myself. If I want to go out, I'll just go out for one night on a Saturday every month or something. It's not something that really bothers me too much. UK's terribly freezing here. Wow, yeah. -2. Yeah, my mum messaged me saying it was cold. Heard Thailand is sick. That's definitely on the list, but I want to do Dubai for 6 months first. Has beautiful, man. Good stuff. Yeah, Dubai. I want to go to Dubai soon. Maybe I think I'll go to Dubai this year at some point for a couple of weeks. Yeah, I'll definitely go to Dubai for a couple of weeks this year. My plan is to probably stay in Asia for another couple of months, 2 or 3 months, depending on how I feel. Maybe go to Thailand for a month. I don't know. I might go to Thailand for a month. And then go back to the UK and probably stay in the UK for a couple of months, catch up with family, and then go elsewhere. I'm not a drinker, but always sounds good. Low, yeah, stay on it, bro. Keep committed. I don't drink too much either. If I do go out, I'll have a drink, of course, but it's not something that interests me too much. Not anymore. When I was younger, but got things to do now. Things to do, commitments. -5 tonight. Wow, Martin. Crazy. Crazy. If you go to Dubai, make sure you go in there winter. Yeah, I've heard that too. I know people who live in Dubai. When it's Dubai summer, they'll go to Spain. And then when it's Dubai winter, they'll go and live there because obviously they've got residency there. And they've got the visa and stuff. And they pay their taxes. But they have to live there for like 9 months. I think 9 months or 6 months within the year. So I think they do like half and half. Most of them go to Spain or Thailand, and then they'll do half of it. So they have to stay for there for like half of the time. Which to me, having to stay somewhere for 6 months, obviously for tax benefits it's great, but I think there's other ways around it. Dubai looks beautiful though. I don't think I'd be bothered about staying in Dubai for 6 months if you had to. It wouldn't bother me at all. But yeah, I think you have to go in there winter for sure. No, I've not been to Dubai. I've not been to Dubai, and I will go this year, definitely. Even for a month, I might go. Just book an apartment somewhere, go and even make some videos about it and stuff. You know, it's good for networking. I know there's a lot of people there who trade different sectors of business and stuff. So 50 degrees is no joke. No, it's not. Like, you can't do anything in that. You're literally inside with air conditioning on. It's pointless. It's pointless. That is just ridiculous. Like, when I went to Turkey one year, no, Greece, sorry. When I went to Greece one year, it was like 39, 40. And I had to stay, you could sunbathe for maybe an hour, and then you'd have to go inside. Or have to go and cool down, and then go back out. 50 degrees is a different level, innit? No, but I definitely will go to Dubai. Something I am thinking about for Discord members. So for Discord community members, one thing that I'm thinking about doing maybe this year is renting a villa in, obviously I'll pay for the villa. There's no problem with that. But obviously it'll only be open to Discord members. So if you're in the Discord community, this is for you. I will be renting a villa maybe for 1 to 2 weeks. And anybody in the Discord community who wants to come maybe somewhere in Asia, you'll have access to the villa and you'll be able to sleep there, live there, trade with me. So yeah, if you are interested in that, it's something I might be doing this year. It's unreal, mate. Been twice in October and it's 32 degrees, perfect. October sounds like the sweet spot then, doesn't it? I remember you telling me, Naz, actually. I remember you telling me. Great idea. October sounds good. But yeah, that's something I'm interested and excited to do this year, hopefully. You know, just rent a villa in Thailand for a couple of weeks. Maybe 1 week, one place, 1 week another place, and we'll just trade, live, go out, do whatever, go and see some stuff. Sounds epic. Yeah, I think it'll be great, you know. Like, get a villa. I'll get a villa. I'll get a villa, get a pool, get a villa with a pool, maybe like 4 bedrooms, 4 or 5 bedrooms. You know, even if it's like 3 or 4 bedrooms, I'm sure we can get like 5 or 6 in there. Depending on how many people want to come. Meet up in the UK. Yeah, when I'm back, guys, as well. Discord community. Another thing for the Discord members. There's so much coming for Discord community members, guys. If you're in the Discord community as well, I'm going to be renting some offices. Potentially one in London and one in Manchester. And we can meet up and we can trade live there for a day. Like I say, I'll need to get costs together. I don't think I will be charging for it. Depending on how much it is and how much I work it out to be. But there will be a meetup at some point. I will book an office. I don't think they're expensive. If they are, it's for a day. It is what it is, or a couple of days. I might even do a 3-day like boot camp in the UK. Like I say, Discord community members, there's a lot coming for next year. I am excited for it. Oh, this year, sorry. Could have a proper trading floor. Another thing that I was thinking about when I get back as well. Having a proper trading floor. Like having like 6 setups in a trading floor. And if people want to rent a setup, they can do. We'll see what happens though. I want to do these meetups first. One in London, one in Manchester. Maybe one in Manchester, one in London. And I'll see how many turn up. I'll open it up to Discord members. They can have it, and then I'll open it up to the free Telegram. But, like I said, Discord members will have priority for sure. Does your girlfriend travel with you, mate? Dean, yes, she does. She travels with me. She does everything that I don't do. Cooks, cleans, makes me tea, coffee, and I work. Do you trade, one sec, was 45 here last April, Manila, beautiful. 45 is tough. Yeah, 45 is tough, Duncan. How did you cope with that, mate? And Philippines, seriously guys, Philippines, it looks insane. All the little islands and stuff, looks incredible. One sec, guys. Let me just message someone back. Do you trade on a MacBook? Yeah, I do trade on a MacBook when I'm traveling, yeah. But at home, I've got a proper setup. Yeah, at home, I've got a proper setup. And even now, I've got a brand new MacBook, like the most updated MacBook. They're great. The MacBook's great, very fast. You've got so much storage. Everything's fine. But at home, I've got a proper setup. But even here, I've got like an iPad, my MacBook, and my phone. So that's absolutely fine for what I need when traveling, you know. But yeah, Naz, you should definitely get one, mate. Seriously, you should definitely get one. If you're thinking of traveling as well, MacBooks, I've got the... what inch is mine? I think it's 20 something. MacBook Pro, I've got the M3. Oh, there's an M4 one now. Crazy. I'll send you, Naz, I'll send you the one that I have. It's the 2024. Yeah, I've got the 20, that's what I've got, the 14 inch. No, not 24, I've got the 16 inch, that one I've got. 2024 16 inch MacBook Pro M4. Yeah. 16 inch. Like I said, I'm not too clued up on it all, but it's quick and fast enough for what I need. I did have the M2 chip before. I did have the M2. And that is absolutely fine. But Naz, you don't need the 2024. The 2020 or like the 2022 would be absolutely fine for what you need. You know, if you want to treat yourself and you've got the money to get the one that you want, yeah, that's absolutely fine, mate. But all MacBooks are good. Like, even if you want to get the MacBook Air to start with, like, it doesn't matter. If you're just trading and you haven't got much to, like, for me, I need to edit, I need to do streaming. So for me, the new one is perfect for streaming. It's perfect for editing videos, creating content for the community, doing sessions, one-to-one sessions. I need all that. I need the storage. I need everything. So for me to, that investment for me is absolutely fine. I have a good mate who stays in rugby in the UK. We'll go over this year last quarter and stay with him for a bit. We'll definitely join up for a training camp. Perfect. Yeah, Dean, perfect, mate. We'll definitely do that. Good stuff, Dean. Like I say, guys, if anybody's interested in any of them things that I've just mentioned, like I say, we can all get involved and we can all meet up for a camp. Like I say, I'll have to do costs and stuff. But if I do rent a villa somewhere, I'll pay for the villa. It doesn't matter for me. Just book a flight, and we can chill. But there's not much happening on gold here, to be fair. There's not much happening on gold. Yeah, like I say, Naz, if you don't have to edit videos and do stuff, MacBook Air's fine. It's like 1.2K perfect, Naz. Yeah, that's great, mate. Yeah, that's fine. I think mine was around 2K, 2.2K or something. So yeah, if you can get one for that, it'll be fast enough. You'll be able to trade, you'll be able to do what you need to do, travel with it. That's fine, mate. Oh, my music stopped. One sec, let me just refresh it. What is gold doing here? Nothing. Guys, seriously, there's not much happening on gold. It's been within this range for like an hour and a half now, and I'm just gonna wait for these closes. I've got this range still. Like I say, it's basically a bank. Well, just treat it as a bank holiday after the after the London session. So we've got like a couple of hours of trading left, but I'm gonna call it here. Community members will have a Zoom session later, but up till now, what I'm gonna be looking for is I'm gonna just wait for closes above or below this range. Okay. There's no point in sitting here. Set your alerts at these levels. You know, I'm actually going to set an alert on gold here, just a little bit above. I'm going to set an alert here at 26.66, and I'm going to set alert at 26.60. Let's wait for the closure and then trade with that volume, okay? Do you have an Apple setup at home? On just a normal PC, mate, but it's fast. It's fast. It does everything I need, and it is quite new too. Indoors with aircon, Duncan, nice one, mate. That's exactly what I'd be doing as well. Anything like, I can take heat quite well, but anything more than 30 degrees is tough, innit? Especially if it's humid too. But yeah, guys, let's wait for these closes. And anybody who's not yet, get involved in the community. Seriously, if you do want to learn the full strategy and everything that I'm talking about, all the concepts, everything that you need to get profitable, and it's not only the strategy. You've got a daily help from me, and you've also got the active group chats too. You know, you've got the crypto chat, the gold chat, general chat. You know, any other market chats. You've got like 5 chats there. You've got all the education, everything that you need for that month is there. You know, so good stuff. Like I say, good patience too. Good patience. No need to be trading. I'm going to set an alert here, 26.60. I'm going to set an alert here at 26.65. Any closes above are long. Any closes below, look for themselves. But yeah, good YouTube live there, guys. Good YouTube live. Any, like I mentioned, community members will do a Zoom session later, maybe in about 3 or 4 hours. I'll send a link out for the Zoom. Answer any questions that you want about strategy, talk, nonsense, whatever. Doesn't matter to me. We'll just jump on, all right? But yeah, decent turnout today. Good to see some familiar faces too. And I'm going to head off, everyone. If anyone's got any questions before I go, drop it in. And I will see you tomorrow for another London session. I'm going to do London session tomorrow due to the news that we've got. Okay? Because we have got some high impact news tomorrow in the US. So, but yeah, decent little session there, and I will catch you all tomorrow. If anyone's got any questions before I go, let me know. And thanks, Joe. Have a good one, mate. Naz, legend in a bit, mate. Bye bye, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna head off myself now. Ooh, what's this? Sorry guys, someone just messaged me. I'll close out in a second. What's this? Right, yeah, cast sound. Right, yeah, I'm gonna head off now, guys. Right, Wes in a bit, guys. Yeah. Appreciate everyone tuning in. Thanks for supporting as always. Discord members, I'll see you there in a bit, guys. Peace.